The IRR function in Excel allows you to determine the internal rate of return. The function itself is easy enough. We've got it over here, but I'll just recalculate it. So the function is called IRR. And you'll see all you need to do is tell it where the values are. Now for IRR, you have to have some outflows and some inflows. So we have to include period 0. I'm going to highlight all of those. And you can see it gives you the option of a guess. So this is just the IRR calculation is iterative, and occasionally if the IRR is very different from what it expects, it may not get a solution. So you can put a guess in just to tell it to where it should start looking. But in this case we don't need to. Just before we do that, what's important about this IRR is if you look at the definition, it's values, but just like the NPV, the assumption is that these are equally spaced in time. When I say OK, you'll see it gives me 51%. Let's just increase the decimals. And you'll see it gives you 50.57%. So what this means is that the IRR of these cash flows is 50.57%. Just to check it, the IRR, if used as a discount rate, should make the NPV 0. So I've just copied that. I'm going to paste it as values, and you'll see it gives you a 0. I'm just going to say undo.